I can position this rightly where it doesn't fall. I haven't vlogged in a while. Get your ass over here. Get your hippie ass over here and sit next to me.
What?
So, ow, damn. Today I'm here with my best friend, Devin. Devin, say hi to the people.
Hello, I'm Devin.
I do vlogs. I haven't done one in a while. I need to do one.
And I'm part of it. That's great.
Yeah, you're part of it.
Yeah.
Something I was just doing 2 minutes ago. What was I just doing to this bag?
You were eating it like the fish.
I was like, I just want to be like a horse. I was like,
Yeah, like that.
it's harder than it looks. Damn it.
I really do look like a hippie, don't I?
Hey, I can't. I'm trying. I almost got one. Goal. Score. I have weird okay, so last night was our seniors' prom, and
Yeah.
You're ruining this.
I don't care.
And this is on the news. This one kid took his date to the prom in a helicopter. I prefer a horse and carriage.
It was on the news?
Yeah, it was on the news.
Oh, I didn't know it was on the news.
Yeah. You didn't even notice the news, but
It was at prom.
I know, it was at the prom. The news
The
was
news
there.
wasn't there.
Yeah, it was. Oh, they must have been here in Franklin.
It was not, they weren't there. Unless they weren't at the main entrance.
What entrance were you at?
The main entrance.
From what I heard, kids were showing up at like 6:30.
I got there about 10 to 7. And that kid got there when I was there, and I left by 7:45. So he was probably there somewhere from 7:30, 7:30, quarter to 9.
That was like a stylish entrance.
Yeah, but nobody really knew.
I know, but I gotta admit, that kid had style going to prom like that.
Yeah.
He didn't even tell his date he was going to prom like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you go to prom?
Oh? It was on the news, that kid who took his date to the prom in the copter. Yeah, it took
I didn't
him
hear about it.
You didn't know that, dude. It's all over the news.
Are sophomores allowed to go to the prom?
No, you had to be at least junior or senior.
What? There was a sophomore who went to the prom.
They have to be a guest of a senior.
He was.
Yeah, that's right. The freshman can't go,
I
right?
could have got in then.
We are freshmen, we can't go.
Sophomores have to have an invitation.
We just
for
stopped it.
Whatever.
What are you guys doing today?
Red Lobster biscuit.
Oh, come on! Hold on. And I did that without the hand. It would have really hurt.
This thing.
I'm in school.
Why don't you try it anyway? See what happens.
We have like 10 minutes left.
I know. Lunch is running really long today.
Huh?
Not that I don't want to be here.
Mommy!
Hello, Page's friend.
Do you remember that kid took his date to the prom in a helicopter?
No.
It was on the news.
Nobody heard it but you, Paige.
No people did hear it! Our teacher showed us the clip in second hour.
Okay. You've asked like
Goodbye.
and they don't know.
I'm done debating with you.